class I discussed about decimal to binary conversion. Now in this class I'm going to explain about decimal to octal. Octal means the base is 8, nothing but an octal. Base is nothing but a decimal number system. Okay na? So what is the value here? 35.45. So this is a decimal number. We need to convert into the octal. So base nothing 8, nothing but we are going to convert decimal number system into octal number system. You know already integer part, it is a fractional part. So we have to perform integer part separately, 35 by 8, because we are going to convert into the octal now. That's why I have divided by 8. For example, here it is 2 means, for example, it is here the base is 2 means we need to divide by 2. But here the base is 8. We are going to convert decimal number system into octal number system. So that's why I'm dividing by 8. So 35 is integer separately and fractional part we have to perform separately. So 8 for the 32, remainder 3. Okay na? So 4 is less than 8. So it is cannot be divided further. So bottom to top. Okay na? So 35 base to power of 10. So what is the octal number system? 43. 43 base to power of 8. Okay na? Next we are going to talk about fractional part. Okay. Now what is the fractional part here? Okay, now 0.45 into 8. So the answer is 3.6. Just using the calculator and multiplied, you will get 3.6. We got 3.6 no, so ignore 3 and 0.6 should take it no. 0.6 into 8. So it will become 6.4. So whenever you got 6.4, 6 must be ignored, and 0.4 into 8 again will give us 3.2. So whenever 3 we got 3.2, 3 should be ignored, and 0.2 into 8 will give us 1.6. Okay na? So whenever taking these values for this, we should ignore, right? So we should consider 3, 6, 3, 1. Should ignore 6, 6, 4, 2, so should be ignored, and only this 3, 6, 3, 2. So we should always go from top to bottom. So what is the answer for this? 0.45 base to power of 10 is give us what is the answer? 3631. It is a octal number system. Okay na? Now combine both. What is the answer? What is the question we asked? No, 35.45 decimal number equivalent of octal. No, so what is the 35 answer? We got 43 point. So 0.45, how much we got? 0.45, 3631. 3631. So in this way we are going to convert a decimal number system into octal number system. Okay na? So it is integer part, fractional part. So we are going to convert into the octal. That's why I divided by 8. Okay na? Divided by 8, I got 43. So should take from bottom to top. That's why what is the answer? 3510. So we got 43 base to 4 of 8. Now this fractional part multiplied by 8. Okay na? That's why I did multiply by 8. We got 3.6, and 3 should be ignored, and 0.6 should be taken next. So 0.6 into 8, 6.4. Again 6 will be ignored, and 0.4 into 8, 3.2. Again 3 should be ignored. 0.2 into 8, 1.6. And while you are considering the numbers, 6, 6, 4, 2 should be ignored, and 3, 6, 3, 2. So okay na? Bottom, top to bottom should consider 0.54. 0.45 equal to 3631. So finally I am combining these two. 35.45 equal to 43 I got, and so fractional part 3631. So in this way I am going to convert, okay na, decimal number system into octal number system. Okay na. So I'll take one more example. So simple. So whenever you are converting a decimal number system into any other number system like binary, we completed in the previous class. In this case, in this class I discussed about octal, right? So the number system which you are going to convert it into, the number must be divided by 2 for integer part, and fractional part, the fractional part must be divided into, multiplied by the number which you are going to convert it into. Okay na? For example, I will take another example here for understanding. Okay na? I am taking, okay na, 79.11. So it is a decimal number system. I am going to convert into the octal number system. So decimal to octal. That's why it is integer part. It is a fractional part. So first integer part must be divided by 279. So into 8 now we are going to convert into the octal number system. Okay na? So 8 9 the 72, 8 9 the 72, remainder is how much? So 7 is the remainder. Okay na? So again divide by 8, 8 1 the 8, remainder 1. So what is the answer? Top to what, bottom to top. So 79 is a decimal number, so what is the answer? 171, sorry, 117. Okay na? It is a 117. We got 117 is an octal number system. Okay na? Bottom to top 117. Next, 0.11 into 8, because fractional part we need to consider. No, what is the fractional part here? 0.11. Fractional part must be multiplied by 8, because we are going to convert this fractional part into octal only. So the answer is 0.88. Okay na? So just a second, I'll use the calculator. So 0.11 into 8, so it will give us 0.88, and again you take it 0.88 into 8. Okay na? So now we are going to get, so 7.04, 7.04 again. So should ignore 7.04, means we should ignore 7, and 0.4 into 8 only give us. So 0.4 into 8, 0.4 into 8. What is the answer? 3.2. Again 3.2, 3 should be ignored, and 0.2 into 8, 1.6. Okay now, only we need to consider this 0731. Okay, so 0731. Okay na? So 0.11, so decimal equal to 0731 base to the power of base is 8. So finally I'm going to combine these two. Okay na? 79 point, what's the requirement? 79.11, right? No, 79.11. So decimal converted into, what is the 79 value? Equivalent value 117. What is the point 0.11 equivalent value? So 0731. So in this way we are going to convert, so decimal number system into octal number system. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.